You are watching Time for Change TV with James Alexander.
I've seen firsthand the blue tarps that blanket the roofs of this state. Many Floridians are still recovering from last year's hurricanes. It's bad enough that we've had to suffer through those storms. But for insurance companies to double or triple rates, or worse yet, cancel policies, that's unacceptable. As governor, I'll push for an independent commission to require insurance companies to open up their books to justify rate increases. We've got to hold insurance companies accountable. As governor, I will.
Rod Smith, Democrat for governor.
Please visit www.time-for-change.org.uk.